Imagine the universe, not as empty space, but as a vast ocean. This is the heart of Jovica Vjestica's groundbreaking idea. He sees the universe through the lens of fluid mechanics. This isn't just a change in perspective, it's a revolution in our understanding of the cosmos. Fluid mechanics is the study of fluids. This includes liquids and gases. Vjestica's analogy suggests that seemingly empty space behaves like a fluid. This fluid-like medium is the foundation for everything, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. This new perspective has profound implications. It offers a fresh way to understand fundamental forces. It reshapes our concept of matter, and it sheds light on the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. Vjestica's work is a testament to the power of imagination. It reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, and that the greatest discoveries often come from looking at old problems in new ways. Electromagnetic fields are everywhere. They are responsible for light, electricity, and magnetism. But what are they? Vjestica's analogy provides an intuitive answer. Electromagnetic fields are like disturbances in a cosmic fluid. Think of a stone thrown into a pond. The stone creates ripples that spread outward. Similarly, charged particles create disturbances in the fluid-like medium of space. These disturbances are what we perceive as electromagnetic fields. Just like ripples in a pond, electromagnetic fields can interact. They can interfere with each other, creating complex patterns. This explains why light behaves as both a wave and a particle. Vjestica's fluid analogy offers a simple yet elegant way to visualize electromagnetic phenomena. It demystifies these fundamental forces and makes them accessible to our understanding. If space is a fluid, what are particles? According to Vjestica, they are like bubbles in this cosmic sea. These bubbles are not empty. They are concentrations of energy within the fluid medium. Imagine blowing air into a glass of water. The air forms bubbles that rise to the surface. Similarly, particles are like bubbles of energy in the fluid of space. They interact with the fluid and with each other. The properties of a particle, like its mass and charge, depend on the characteristics of its bubble. This includes its size, shape, and the way it vibrates within the fluid medium. This perspective offers a new way to understand the nature of matter. It suggests that particles are not fundamental building blocks. Instead, they are emergent phenomena arising from the complex dynamics of the cosmic fluid. The elusive dance of dark matter. One of the biggest mysteries in modern physics is dark matter. It makes up a significant portion of the universe, yet we can't see it or interact with it directly. Vjestica's fluid mechanics analogy offers a compelling explanation. He suggests that dark matter is a superfluid. A superfluid is a fluid with zero viscosity. This means it can flow without any resistance. This property makes it difficult to detect directly. Imagine a superfluid flowing around a stationary object. The object would experience no drag or friction. Similarly, dark matter's superfluid nature allows it to interact with ordinary matter very weakly. This explains why dark matter is so elusive. It also provides a framework for understanding its gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters. Reimagining gravity. Gravity is the force that holds the universe together. But what is it? Vjestica's fluid mechanics analogy offers a new perspective on this fundamental force. He suggests that gravity is not a force in the traditional sense. Instead, it is a consequence of the fluid-like nature of space. Imagine a rubber sheet stretched taut. Placing a heavy object on the sheet will create a depression. Similarly, massive objects create depressions in the fluid of space. These depressions influence the motion of other objects. This is what we perceive as gravity. This perspective offers an intuitive way to understand gravity's effects. It explains why objects fall towards the ground and why planets orbit stars. It also provides a framework for understanding the large-scale structure of the universe. A universe unified. Jovica Vjestica's fluid mechanics analogy is more than just a new way to look at the universe. It is a unifying framework that connects seemingly disparate phenomena. By viewing space as a fluid, we can understand electromagnetic fields, particles, dark matter, and gravity as different manifestations of the same underlying principle. This holistic approach has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Vjestica's work is a call for a paradigm shift in physics. It encourages us to think beyond traditional models and to embrace new ways of understanding the universe. His insights have the potential to unlock some of the deepest mysteries of the cosmos and to usher in a new era of scientific discovery.